Hello guys, welcome to our channel Tutorial River, and in this video we will learn how to set up Roblox Authenticator. So firstly you have to go to the Roblox website. So in your browser type in Roblox, then left click and go to the Roblox website. After that click on the gear button and go to the settings menu. Now you have to go to the security tab. And now in the two-step verification section you will find that the Authenticator app is available. Just toggle it. After you toggle the Authenticator app, and 6-digit code will be sent to your email. Firstly, you have to input the 6-digit code in order to verify your identity. Then input your password and click on verify. After that, a QR code will appear. All you have to do is scan the QR code in any of the Authenticator applications that you're using. Some of the best Authenticator applications currently is Google Authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator, Two-Factor Authenticator, or Authy. Install any of these applications in your mobile device and scan the QR code. After you scan the QR code, a 6-digit code will appear in the application. Just input the code here and verify. After the verification is done, a 10 backup codes will appear for you for emergency situations. Just save these backup codes anywhere in your PC or mobile. Then click on close. After you have saved them, the authenticator is active. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.